Well, what's going on, guys? And my name is Joshua Dangle George, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can promote Clickbank products using Facebook ads. Now, before we begin, I just want to give a quick mention that we have a free affiliate marketing masterclass here linked down below. Okay, so if you want to go from zero to hero with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you check out the free masterclass, all linked down below. And with that said, let's hop into the video. Okay guys, and welcome to a new video. So obviously if you are just starting out, you will need to go to clickbank.com and then click on create an account, which is here at the right top. Fill all the information in and you are literally good to go. As you can see, nowadays almost every country is available for Clickbank. If in the off chance that your country is not here in the drop down menu, then unfortunately Clickbank is not available for you. But no worries, you know, there are enough affiliate marketing platforms available out there. You just need to find one that is available in your country. With that said, if your country is available in the drop down menu but you do not get your account approved, I have a video on my own personal channel where I show you how you can appeal a disabled account basically. So with that said, I already have an account obviously, so let me just quickly log in and I'll show you guys how you can basically start earning money with Clickbank by using Facebook ads. So logging in now. So when you log in to Clickbank, you're basically brought to the Clickbank dashboard, and then what you need to do is go to the right top here to Marketplace, and that is where you find all of the products that you can potentially promote. Okay, on the left hand side you've got all of the categories, but what you can also do is click on like the magnifying glass here, and then on the left hand side you can basically filter to find that perfect product that you want to promote. So what I like to look at is the affiliate tools page and the vendor spotlight. Okay, in terms of the affiliate tools, you'll basically get a bunch of assets that you can use to ensure that you get the most amount of conversions, and the vendor spotlight basically shows you what the gravity is doing on Clickbank, so how popular the product is and how many sales it's getting by individual affiliates. So as you can see here, for Cinderella Solution, although the gravity is 299, which means it's always hot, you can see that it's slowly going down and then stabilized over the last few days, but nevertheless this is a very good product to promote. So when we sort by gravity, we basically get the top products. So these are all the top dogs in terms of the best products to promote. As you can see, all of the gravities are over 100, and let's see, I think the bottom one is still over 100 to 128. So all of these products are hot and getting a lot of conversions. Okay, so in terms of the affiliate tools, like I already mentioned, it's basically just a bunch of information that you can use to promote these products to the best of your abilities. So for example, this is Ted's Woodworking. Let me just see what they have in terms of information for us. So basically they also explain how their funnel works, which is also great for us. This gives us more insight into what happens once we actually drive traffic to their page. Okay, so other than that, let's see what else we've got. Using your own landing page, free plans, thank you page, download page, art of woodworking. But okay, so these are all the different offers. I thought they were like affiliate tools, but they're not. So enter your first name and email to get access to affiliate resources. Okay, I've already signed up. Let me just click on that. Saves me selling my soul and giving away my email address. So let's see what they've got. Graphics and banners. As you can see, it's all in HTML, so we can't actually see them. Also keywords if you're going to do with Google, which is also great, and demographics and Facebook ads. Now this is really, really important for us. So if you were to promote Ted's Woodworking on Facebook, as you can see here, focus on male mostly. Focus on between the ages of 25 to let's say 50, maybe even 64 actually. What I would probably do is I'll probably split test this, 25 to 44 in one ad set and then 45 to 64 in the other ad set, and then just see which one gets the most conversions. Okay, but as you can see, there's so many like demographics, and there's so much information that you can use to the best of your abilities. You can basically filter by household income, basically if they've gone to college, yes or no, As you can see here, you need to primarily focus on Caucasian, no kids, male. So as you can see, they've already said it, age 30 to 65 male. So they've basically blocked off the 25 to 34 roughly. Target countries in order, they say focus on the United States, then the UK, then Canada, Australia. Interests such as woodworking, DIY, home and garden, survival, off-grid, sheds, home improvement, and so on and so forth. In general, our target market cross-sells very well with the green energy, alternative energy, survival, preppers, conservatives market. See, again, just more information for you guys to use to make sure that when you do run ads, you basically get the most amount of conversions. They've even got email swipes, which brings me to my next part of this section, or like my next tip. So in terms of Facebook ads, you can't directly promote affiliates sales pages, so Clickbank sales pages directly to Facebook. You will need a bridge page. So the bridge page that we've created looks like this. So we've tried to make it look as much as we possibly could as the actual sales page, so they don't get the feeling that they're just constantly getting redirected. We've created this within ClickFunnels. If we want to track this with a software called Volume, for example, then we would need to use HTML and, for example, set it up with Amazon S3. But as you can see, in this case, we've just used ClickFunnels. So if you want to track, your click-through rate and your conversions, etc., within, for example, something like Google Sheets, then feel free to use ClickFunnels. As you can see, this is just a one-step, like a one-click redirect to their video sales page. But what you could also do is make them fill out their email address and maybe even their name as well. What that will do is basically give you a second chance to get them to, basically make a purchase. So chances are the first time they see this, they'll think, oof, $67, I'm not sure about that. I don't think I want to do that because I do not actually know what all this is about. They've got no time to read through all of this information. So they think, you know what, I'm going to give it a miss for today. Let's take a rain check, and then they go back to doing whatever they were doing. However, if you have their email address, you can then send them emails. As you can see here, they're already written out for you. So all you need to do is copy and paste, send them emails about how great Ted's Woodworking is. And then, you've basically got a second chance to get that person to make a conversion or make a purchase, which for you is a conversion, and you do not actually pay for that second chance because you've already got their email address, so you can now target them free of charge to make that additional sale. Okay, so that is basically one of my greatest tips for you guys is if they've got in this case they've got a video sales letter, so you should be good to go. So what basically my rule of thumb is if they've got a video sales letter, just do a one-click to the sales page. If they haven't got a video sales letter, then make sure you capture their email address first so that you can always target them later on. Okay, obviously you can do both, which will give you the best of both worlds, but not everyone likes to give out their email address, so you might lose people basically in the flow. Whereas if you just done like the one click to the actual sales page, you would have still actually gotten on this page, and then they might have made that purchase. But like I said, if you've got their email address, then you can just retarget them over and over again until they finally make that purchase. And in terms of the copy, you do not need to write it yourself because, as you can see here, which most of the affiliate tools have nowadays for the more popular products, all you need to do is copy and paste and you are literally good to go. Obviously, make sure you fill out your hop link, which is the last thing I want to touch upon before we finish off this video. So let me just quickly go back to clickbank.com. I need to log in again. Log in one more time. Log in, sign in. And then there we go, back to the marketplace. And then we'll click on the magnifying glass again. Let's see if Ted's Woodworking is here. Yes, it is. So in terms of the products, if you want, if you've basically decided on a product that you want to promote, you can click on the button here. I'll open this in a new tab. There we go. And then all you need to do is just quickly check over the commission just to make sure that you are happy with the commission you are getting. So in this case, we are getting 75% commission of, let's see what it is, $55. So that is, let's see how much that is. 0.75 times 55 is $41 commission if we make our sale. And then all you need to do is click on generate hop link, and you've got your hop link and you are good to go. Okay, another thing you need to watch out for, just a quick tip before we finish off, is the rebills. So make sure that or just basically double check that you are getting rebills if it's a subscription-based product. Just make sure you notice how much, what the percentages of the rebill, and just make sure you just check over all of these stats to make sure that you are happy with everything. Like I said, vendor spotlight, which in this case is stable, and the affiliate tools. Okay, so that is how you can promote your products with Facebook ads. Now, in terms of how to set up the ads, I created a video on this channel as well as on my own channel, which is basically like a watch me build video on how to set everything up. So if you are interested in that, like I said, you can watch it on this channel, or you can watch a more in-depth version of it on my own channel. I will link my own channel in one of the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave this video with a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you'd like to see from this channel next. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.